What's up, guys? This is Jeffrey with Sports Card Album, and today we have a 2016-2017 NBA Hoops box review. This is the first official NBA cards for the 2016-17 rookies. The first two releases were Contenders and Black Gold, which were in their college uniforms. Now, I've got... let's see if we can show this. These are some of the top hits that's been pulled and sold so far on eBay. Of course, there's the LeBron James 101. It's not wanting to focus, but there we go. A Ben Simmons Gold 2 of 10 went above 306. You can go to Sorts of. Sergio broke this down. You can go to sortsof.com and see. So the big ones to get would be Ben Simmons or Brandon Ingram, who's from Kinston, North Carolina. For the Lakers, there's a few of his autos. Although I don't really know why my camera's not wanting to focus. There was something else I noticed, the MVP finals to 99. This one says it's 1 in every 8 cases. But this would be a hard one to hit. That is actually going, most of them are going for $120 to $150. So that's, for just a little parallel, that's a nice hit. So you're always going to get a bunch of inserts and cards in hoops. 2 autographs and 3 special Kobe 2K inserts per box on average. Like I said, the rookies to get so far are Simmons, Ingram, Hield, Dunn, Jamal Murray, even though he's not playing right now. So here we go. Let's see what we get. Coming out in a few weeks will be Prism. These packs are all over the place. I'm trying a new setup, so hopefully the definition is a little bit better, even though it wasn't wanting to focus on my iPad. It's always hard getting the right lighting in here. There's the base rookie design. That's a AJ Hammons. And we got an autograph in the first pack for the Bucks now. Matthew Dellavedova. Pretty quick to hit an auto. And we have a Andrew Wiggins Artist Proof Bird's Eye View. It's a nice looking card with a refractor look on it. That is 10 of 25. It's hard to show up. The rest are base. We've got an NBA tip-off, Pacers and Raptors. Shiny, not numbered. If you're looking to complete a bunch of sets, Hoops, at a low cost, Hoops would be, a set for you. This is on the lower end of the spectrum. There's a Ben Simmons rookie card from the NBA photo shoot. Taurean Prince for the Baylor collectors out there. Picture Perfect Jeremy Lin of the Brooklyn Nets. Of course, in here you'll also find the Road to the Finals. They were in Hoops last year. There's the Rookie of the Year from last year, Karl Anthony Towns. We've got NBA Hoops team leaders, 20.4 points per game, Eric Bledsoe. That one is not numbered. It's hard to tell because some of these last year from the points per game were actually numbered. There's a PC card, Harrison Barnes. Joel Embiid off to a nice start. Just, like I said, the Road to the Finals. This is Goran Dragic, Heat at Raptors. And that one is serial numbered. It's hard to tell on there. 426 of 999 on the Goran Dragic. Kobe Hoops 2K17. That would be one of the 3 you're supposed to get per box on average. 2K View. And we have 1 of 99, Mike Dunleavy for the Cleveland Cavaliers. Got Marcus Smart, 7 of 25, artist proof. You can see the shine on them. They had to add a little bit to Hoops because it is bland, but again, it is the first official NBA product, so there's still, you know, not a craving, but a want by collectors for these cards. This is the first of the year. Here's our second NBA Hoops Kobe Bryant 2K. This time he's guarding his old self. And we've got a Kyle Lowry 23 of 99 for the Raptors. Bryce Johnson, Tar Heel. We got another Road to the Finals this time. Goran Dragic, Heat versus Hornets. They knocked out my Hornets. That one is 1,114 of 2016. The first round is out of 2016. So there are a lot of those cards. Spark Plugs, Ryan Anderson. Nice looking set. They keep it very basic in hoops, which is a good thing. Aside from the NBA players that switches teams, they're all action photos. Except for the rookies and the guys that switch teams. Road to the finals, Trailblazers and Clippers. This was the first round matchup. This is Chris Paul, 907 of 216. For CP3. Here is Brandon Ingram's hoops rookie. NBA Hoops Action Shots, James Harden. Not numbered. That one didn't even have an insert. Usually every pack has had something. This time we have Chris Bosh Green. That is 93 of 149. This was like the Dominators, I think it was last year. The checkerboard kind of pattern to it when the light hits it. Courtside, Anthony Davis. That is an action shot. Nice set. Not sure if they have any of those that are numbered. Road to the finals. This is Klay Thompson, 657 2016, Game 2 versus the Rockets. As we all know, they ended up blowing the 3-1 lead to the Cavs. Cleveland fans can no longer bring up the 3-1 lead because they just blew a 3-1 lead to the Cubs. And our other autograph is Ed Davis of the Trailblazers, a Tar Heel. So no rookie autograph in this box. And then we have a highlights, Andre Drummond. It's a little disappointing that our two autographs are veteran. All base. Cavaliers at Pistons road to the finals as 93 of 2016. Sorry. Road to the Finals. Cavaliers and Pistons. I was hoping we'd get an artist proof maybe in one of these boxes, but that is the 10. And it does not look likely. Buddy Hield's one of the rookies that you can collect this year out of Oklahoma. Or Skal Labissiere. For all the Kentucky collectors out there. They went to Kentucky with a ton of potential and then fail in the draft. NBA Hoops, Kobe Bryant. That would be our third one. And then we have a Champions portrait of Dwayne Wade, 2011-12. This is to 99. 74 of 99. That's a nice shot right there. It's a nice card. And I'm not sure why Pat Riley would let him go to Chicago. Jordan Clarkson green to 149. That is 103 of 149. There you go. Just needed the light to hit it. Karl Anthony Towns Dreams. And our final pack. Bird's Eye. This one is not numbered. Of Justin Anderson. So that will do it. I'll go back and show you. Let's see. We've got the green insert. This is 149. Got a nice Dwayne Wade to 99 of the Champion Portraits. You get 3 Kobe 2K inserts. I'm sure they'll end up being like the anthology. Road to the Finals. There was our other autograph, which was Ed Davis, a Tar Heel. What was it? Regular insert. Chris Bosh 149. Rookie card of Brandon Ingram. The silver to 99 of Kyle Lowry. Another 2K insert. An artist proof to 25 of Marcus Smart. Silver 1 of 99. eBay 101. For everybody keeping track at home. Of Dunleavy. The final Kobe. Another Road to the Finals. Ben Simmons. Base rookie card. And Andrew Wiggins. Artist proof. Bird's Eye View. This time it was numbered. 10 of 25. So that will do it. I appreciate you guys watching. Hope you have a nice weekend. And if you haven't already, sign up for Sports Card Album. We will have more in the future. Thanks, guys.